Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this beautiful pattern which is really suitable to use for baby blanket or any other project you like. What you have to do for the pattern, we need to have a multiple of 4 plus 3. We are going to start by make some chain. It depends the size you like. After you make some chain, we have to make 1 double crochet in each chain. Let's start by make the first double crochet here. It's up to you. You can start to make double crochet exactly in the chain like this, or if you want, if you like, you can take the loops behind the chain, because sometimes this gives you a beautiful edge. This is the way we are going to make double crochet, but as I told you, you have to have multiple of 4 plus 3. I'll do the rest of the work until the end of the work and I'll be back. I already finished the row 1. As I told you, you have to have multiple of 4 plus 3. This pattern has only 2 row repeat. What we have to do for a start, usually you can start by chain 3 and return the work, or maybe you can make it like the way I'm doing now. Insert your hook in the first stitch, make 1 single crochet, then take the loops here and then grab the yarn, make another single crochet and 1 chain. Then we are going to make triple crochet in the first one. From the back side, I insert my hook here and make 1 triple crochet, then we make another triple crochet in this of each stitch here, but this time it should be in front side. So I'm going to make 1, again the next one in front, and again in front. So it means that we are going to make 1 at the back side, 3 in front side, and we repeat the pattern by make 1 back post triple crochet and 3 front post triple crochet. 1, 2 in front, like this. We're going to repeat the pattern until the end of the row. At the end of the row, we are going to have only 1 left as the edge, and I'll be back. I already finished the first row. As I told you, at the end we are going to have only 1 left, and then you are going to make 1 double crochet on the top of the chain as a edge. So for the first row, what we did all stitches triple crochet, 1 from front back side, 3 front side, 1 back side, 3 front side. Now I'm going to return the work. As you can see, front side is like this. For this row again, I'm going to start by make the edge for the first one. When it comes in this pattern, I'm going to make 1 triple crochet for the 1 stitch that is in front. So I'm going to start by make 1 triple crochet. For the next 3, just we are going to make simple double crochet on the top of each stitch like that. 1 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, just double crochet. When it comes to that stitch, again we are going to make triple crochet in front like that. When it comes in these 3, just we make again double crochet on the top of each stitch, and then when it comes to 1 in front, I make triple front post crochet like that. I'm going to repeat the pattern until the end of the row, but what you can do if you want to use colorful yarn, this is the pattern you can use because it gives you really nice result to make it with colorful yarn. Or if you want to do it like the one I made, this also is going to be really nice pattern. Let me just finish the row to show you how the pattern looks like. Always when it comes the one at the end, we are going to make 1 double crochet on the top of the stitches. If you repeat these 2 rows, after few rows you are going to have the pattern like this, as you can see here. That is really beautiful and stretchable. That's nice. This is front side and this is the back side of the work, and that's all. But as I told you, you have to make sure for 1 row you are going to have all of the stitches in triple crochet, and when it comes in front only, you have to make triple crochet to the stitches that is like this, and the rest it should be really normal double crochet. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and have a great day.